Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Steve here. Today we're going to be doing a really unique unboxing video. It's going to be the unboxing of the Genesis GV60, the new all-electric car from Hyundai or Genesis. Now a little bit about the brand. Genesis is a luxury subsidiary of Hyundai. They position themselves in the market as a luxury brand car maker. One of the perks about ordering from Genesis is that they actually deliver the car right to your driveway. And that's what we're waiting for right now. Okay, so the model that I ordered was actually purchased by one of my family members, and I'm really grateful for them to allow me to participate in this delivery. Now, we're just waiting for the car to arrive. Once it gets here, we're going to take a look at the car, how it arrives, and also show you a little bit about inside the car. Hope you enjoy this video. Stick around. Hey guys, check it out. We have the car just arriving in this brand new box. So this is the unboxing of the GV60. This is the matte white performance model. All right, check this out. So I don't have to do the unboxing today. I don't need my scissors. Someone else is going to bring the car out for us. Stay tuned. Here it comes. You can already see the sleek handles with the doors. And it's matte white, so there's no shine to it, as you can see. And those new headlights, those look beautiful. Those square headlights. Okay, we're going to show you a little bit around the car in a bit. Hey guys, we're in the car right now of the GV60 Genesis. This is the interior of the car. We take a look from the back. Looking to the front. So as you can see from the driver's side, this is the steering wheel. It has a couple of buttons that are very typical of your standard car. It has your favorite button, has call and activation for calling. It has a boost button here, which I'm not really sure what that's for. Maybe a turbo mode. There's a drive mode as well. On the side here, we have the speakers. We have the mirror control as well. You have the massive looking LCD screen or LED screen on the front, which covers about 3/4 of the dash. Now going below it, we have another console panel here. Now what's really great about this car is that the buttons there are actually physical buttons, so you don't have to be fumbling around on an LCD screen to click what you need to find. Now going down onto the side panel here, we have the transmission, which uses this to control. You have two cup holders, and also you have this kind of section here where you can press the buttons to control the temperature of the seat as well as the parking assist. In here is a compartment for you to store things. On the passenger side, again, the glove compartment box, and then on the side you have the speakers, and these use Bang & Olufsen speakers, which will provide excellent sound. Onto the front, you have the rear mirror, and also you have the panel on the top. This one has allows you to turn on the lights. This is pretty standard for any car here. Going back to the top, as you can see, there is a panoramic roof, which is not opened at this time. And to be honest, I haven't figured out how to open it yet. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the back of the car now as well. Okay, so the back of the car, these are the side seats on the door. You have your speakers. Again, they are Bang & Olufsen branded, and they have a cup holder as well. Individual ability for you to change the heating on the seats as well as locking the door, and there is the vent right here for your air conditioning and heat. There is actually a little tab here which you can pull up, gives you a privacy screen or protect you from the sun. And of course, there is a light on each side of the handrail right here. Okay, now moving on to the other side, which should be very similar. Again, same thing on both sides. So these are individualized controls for the people sitting in the back, which I think is awesome. Of course, we have the pull down here, which allows you to place your cups. And then we're going to take a peek at the trunk, and I'll open the trunk after to show you what it looks like. Okay, so a bit hard to see, but I am going to open the trunk. Alright, so we have the Genesis GV60 here. Just going to introduce you some of the features. So when you have the car key on you, here's the handle. Just press it. Opens up for you. Can open up the door. If you come a little bit closer here, on the side of the door here, there's actually a facial recognition system. So you don't actually have to have the key here. And when you program to the system, it recognizes your face. You can start the car that way. We'll go to the back. We have the handle here as well. It's pretty standard on the back. You have the Genesis logo, and you have the camera on the back. Just press that, opens up. So the trunk is pretty spacious. If you come a little bit closer here, we take a look. You actually open the bottom, and of course, with any unboxing, you have to have the manual for the car. We also have a tire mobility kit for you to pump your tires if you need to. This is a charger in case you need it. And here is also a plug adapter. Alright. Okay. So let's close the trunk. Here. Automatically, which is great. Okay, so that's the end of the unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. See you next time. Stay safe.